In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up unapplied cash payment income and expenses in QuickBooks Online. Unapplied cash payment income and expenses usually show up on your profit and loss report when payments or expenses aren't properly matched to bills. This can make your reports look confusing and inaccurate, so it's really important to clean them up so your books reflect what actually happened in your business. Let's start with cleaning up unapplied cash payment expenses. In QuickBooks Online, one of the easiest ways to do this is by using the Pay Bills feature. At the top left, click on the New button, then choose Pay Bills. This screen is designed to help you match outgoing payments to the bills they belong to. Look through the list of bills that appears. If you see a bill that clearly matches the payment you made, select the checkbox next to that bill. Double-check the amount, the vendor, and the dates to make sure they line up. When you're confident it's correct, go ahead and save the transaction. By doing this, you're telling QuickBooks that this payment is now applied to that specific bill, which helps clear it from the unapplied cash payment expense account. Sometimes, though, the bill you need does not appear on the Pay Bills screen. When that happens, it often means the bill was never entered or it was entered into the wrong account. In these situations, you may need to manually create a journal entry to offset the expense and move it to the correct place. Because journal entries affect your accounting directly and can impact your financial statements, it's a good idea to consult your accountant or bookkeeper before doing this. They can help you determine which accounts to use and how to adjust your chart of accounts if needed. If you realize that an expense was entered incorrectly in the first place, you'll want to clean that up as well. Go to your list of expenses and find the transaction that looks wrong. In the Action column, select View or Edit to open it. Review the details, and if you confirm that this transaction should not exist or was completely duplicated, you can delete it. Removing incorrect expenses helps ensure that only real, valid transactions are included in your reports. Once you've finished cleaning things up, it's time to confirm your work. Run your profit and loss report again, using the same date range as before. Look for the unapplied cash payment income or unapplied cash payment expense account. If everything has been matched or corrected properly, those lines should no longer appear on the report, or the amounts should be significantly reduced. If you still see balances there, or if you're unsure about any of the steps, reach out to your accountant. They can review your specific situation and help you handle any remaining items correctly. That way, you'll know your QuickBooks Online file is accurate, clean, and ready for reliable reporting.